Hey guys, so who needs the new Mac Pro? I just saw the presentation yesterday. The entry-level Mac Pro is a $6,000 machine. Their new screen, their new, was it 32-inch 6K display is a $5,000 machine. So who needs this very specialized machine? Well, I just said it. A very small group of highly elite content creators could use this machine and see a huge performance upgrade. A very small group of people. I think of the content creators out there, I'm taking a stab at it. I would say 1% or less. Let me qualify that statement. So I saw one of these YouTubers review this LG Gram, which is this laptop by LG. It just has the latest Intel processor. I don't even think it has its own GPU. And it's able to edit 4K raw footage, which is the footage from this cinema camera here, out of the box. 4K raw. If you don't know what that is, raw footage is like super heavy quality. This camera, 4K raw, is accepted by Netflix. So I could film something with this in 4K raw, edit it on the $2,000 LG Gram laptop. Apparently buttery smooth, very nice. Apparently, I haven't used it, but according to reviewers, and I could then bring it to Netflix. So you have to ask yourself, who needs a machine that is 3 times the cost minimum, like the $6,000 Mac Pro? Nice looking machine, but $6,000 is not going to get you far. Like, it's unbelievable. It only has 256 gigs of SSD for 6K. You'd figure they'd put in at least a half a terabyte in there. Anyhow, I think it's highly, highly, highly specialized. I think that very few people need that kind of power. It's good that Apple put out something that can be a beast of a machine, but I think that generally speaking, we're in a fortunate time that software is so optimized these days, and computers are just so fast these days. The need to go back to 1990 workstation prices at $6,000, $8,000, $10,000 before you even put a monitor on there. I think for 99% of creators, forget about computer users, just creators, I think they're not going to need it. So will I be buying one? No, because I'm able to edit my 4K footage, not my raw footage, but the 4K lower quality footage, which looks like this, on my 2016 MacBook Pro, my little thin laptop, which since then has gotten 2-3 times faster, as far as I understand. So no, I wouldn't do it, and it's just a waste of money.